Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I just unboxed a huge pallet of toys and games and such. Did I get a bargain or did I bust? All right, so I unboxed this pallet and let me give you the specs again. It's an uninspected returns pallet, which means it can have various different conditions. It can be brand new, it can be damaged box, or totally broken. It's uninspected returns. I knew that going in. So it's toys and games, luggage and travel, and Star Wars. Star Wars was the key word of why I decided to buy it. Cost me $103, $200 shipping, $788 tax, total $310.88. $5.45 per item, 57 items in the box. So let me tell you what the condition is and how much I think I can get for each one of these. I thought my big bang for my buck was going to be these Star Wars lightsabers. I can make on Amazon after fees. This is always an after fee price. I can make a whopping $2.42 per item. So where I thought I was going to make my money, I didn't end up making my money. These obviously are not as popular as they were when I maybe initially looked it up, but $40 because of the amount of ones I have, about 15 that are in good condition, a couple that are not in good condition, so I'm not going to even sell those. Let me step over here. I got this other Star Wars item. This is a TIE fighter. I think I can make about $6 on this one. And so there's that. Then I've got all of this item here. I am not going to try to resell because the boxes are too damaged. I feel like it would be a bad business choice to try to resell those. So let's hop on over to these and I'll give you some numbers for these. Let's see if we can end up in the positive. Remember, $310 is what I paid. So the Vicks Mister, $25 is what I can make after fees. And this is all selling on Amazon prices. I may be able to get more money if I don't have to pay as high a fees on different platforms. These sports basketball shooters, I can make about, I initially thought I could make about $22 if they were brand new, but because the boxes are damaged, I'll probably sell them on eBay and let them know that there's some damage on the box and maybe only get about 15 bucks a piece on them. So 30 bucks for those. Then I've got these Rubbermaid. This is actually in good condition. 10 bucks for this. Crayola Color Alive animation, $8 after fees. This arrow I couldn't find online, so if you want to purchase this from me, shoot me a price. I'll send you an invoice and sell it. This fanny pack and purse, about $5 a piece on each one of those. They're going to go on Poshmark. I may be able to sell them for a little bit more than that, so that's about 10 bucks there. This build and play princess castle, I can make about $5 on. All of the jewelry, I'd say I'm going to put on Poshmark in a bundle and maybe just make about $2 or $3. So I'm not really even considering that in my prices. The backpacks, this one I can make about 20 bucks on, this floral one. I can make about 10 bucks on this flamingo one, and then I have two of these, which I can make about $8 a piece, and these are on Amazon, so $16 total for that one. I got 3 packs of these Depends. Believe it or not, this is one of my higher price things. $12 a piece, 36 bucks total for those. And then this Homeomedics personal air conditioner, 40 bucks after fees on that one. So if you've been doing the math along with me, I have equaled out to, remember, $310 uninspected returns. I didn't really know what the condition was going to be like, and I got $234. Wah, wah, wah. So for those of you who think I can do this and always make money, not true. So there are some times I totally bust. I was putting kind of all of my eggs in one basket with the Star Wars things. They didn't turn out to be as profitable as I like, mainly because the fees are so high with Amazon because they're such a large box. So you have to take that into consideration, especially when you're buying pallets, because generally they're larger items. And the biggie, the number one reason why I couldn't make money on this pallet was there were too many boxes in a condition that I'm not comfortable selling in. Some of you may look at the condition and go, you know what, I'll just take it all open and lay it out and I can sell it on eBay as used or for parts, or sell it on Facebook Marketplace, which may be something I decide to do with some of these, but at first glance, giving you guys just what I think, I don't really want to sell any of these in the condition they're in. So it's just a big business practice of mine, so I'm going to just try to kind of recoup what I paid for it, but as of right now, $234, paid $310, lost money on this deal, but gives you realistic idea of what you can expect from an uninspected returns box. So just make sure you crunch the numbers and try not to put all your eggs in one basket like I did on this particular pallet. The last pallet I made great money on. I think I averaged out to be, over $1,000 of profit. This one I'm not making money on. So it's just kind of part of the deal when you do this kind of a business. So hopefully it's been helpful to see how much can I actually make on an uninspected returns pallet. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.